Sam.
What?
So how do you feel about your wannabe Polaris over here?
Feels a whole lot better than your Polaris.
Does it?
Oh yeah.
That's weird.
Where's yours at right now?
Where's yours at?
Mine's on Jack's.
Oh, okay. Good point. Good point. Yeah, good point. Saturday night.
So how'd this happen?
We're at Saturday night. We're at River Run. I'm washing my razor. And apparently smelt some diff fluid. And I looked down there.
Dude, that shit stinks.
There's a bolt that holds the drive shaft into the rear end.
Hey, here comes showing this bolt over here. Huh?
Okay, let's see this bolt.
The bolt was just gone.
It's in there now.
Yeah.
Because I put one in.
That bolt right there.
It was gone.
The drive shaft in.
Sam told me it was gone. I asked him if he wanted to park it, ride the old Honda. He said, fuck that. Still gonna send it. And $700 later,
Put it in park.
maybe that was the best idea.
Put it in
Who
park.
knows?
All you need was
Plus
a
side,
little courage.
it's not my folder, not my money, so I said, let's do that.
God
Let's keep
damn. I torqued the fuck out of that thing getting on. I need those wrenches somewhere, wherever they are.
Wrenches.
A little Can-Am rolling on Cinestinators. Ooh, forward swing arms, rear. Turns the shit out of them. Turns them so good. The diff sounds awesome. Oh yeah, that's quality. But that one is quality. Look at that.
And you gotta get ready to pull these fucking lug nuts. Whatever the fuck they're called.
Lug nuts.
No, this.
Take the lug nuts off.
Yeah,
Axle.
axle nuts.
Take the lug nuts.
This happened because we rebuilt our own diff, eh?
Yeah, so pretty
No, we're
much
from Canada, eh? I guess we are right.
Hey.
Canada, eh?
That's what we do. Can-Am.
Texas, baby. Anyway, so Sam cheaped out on the last time the rear end broke and decided he was going to rebuild it himself. And as you can tell, it worked out great. You know, no real issues other than the rear end broke.
Second ride on the rebuild.
Second hard ride, all right?
Second hard ride.
Definitely recommend. I mean, I'm pretty mechanically advantaged, but
He's very mechanically advantaged over
But-
you.
on something like that, I would just go ahead and pay somebody to rebuild it.
Yeah. We might as well. Either way, it's getting fixed.
I'd be cheaper in the long run, or just buy a new one like I ended up doing with it.
Yeah, so
$700. You got it.
We can wave
all this
out.
has to come out.
Just buy XMR. Could have bought an XMR by now.
Four-wheeler?
Yep.
Yeah.
Brand new one.
If you ever buy a stock one, you think you're going to keep it stock, you should buy an XMR because it's
Terrible
not
idea.
going to do that.
All that Can-Am power.
All the power. Mom always said
The power that right
owners
swing.
are so mad because he got all the horsepower but no drivetrain.
This little lift action.
We did a good job putting it in. When you're working on a Can-Am, you got to be sure to take every step possible. We're about to take the front wheels off next.
Just to get out the rear diff bolt.
Bro, what? This shit on so tight.
I just use an impact.
In fact, I have to take it off.
That's a fact.
Look at those big sockets right there. Nice one. I didn't put them on that fucking tight, bro. Unless it's
Dude, that motherfucker is on there. Your job is complete without the Harbor Freight.
No. Lifetime warranty on everything.
Yeah. Fuck Snap-on.
Dude, I watched this tour review video, and Harbor Freight fucking just about outperforms Snap-on. It's like,
Just about.
does the same shit. It's a fucking tool.
You know the socket's the wrong size?
It's not.
It
What's
is
on
on
this side?
It is on this side. Size down probably.
What size is that?
Maybe a 29? This is a 30.
Alright, Alex, let's give him. That's a 30. What size was that one?
30.
Are you sure, man? Because
I mean, it says. Oh, there we go. I was reading it backwards. It's OE.
Might be a 27.
I've got one. It's just laying around here somewhere. I've seen it laying around.
Try 27, bro. 27. Okay, there it is.
Dude, that motherfucker's on there.
Yeah.
Why is everything so fucking tight? Oh, fucking
Dear Lord. Well, we freaking put it at like 190 pounds and then you drove it.
Y'all torque this stuff?
Yeah, we did.
Nobody torques anything. What are y'all doing?
Well, we definitely did. I feel like it's muy importante.
Very interessante.
Very interessante that it has 2 different axle notes.
2 different axles on the rear. It wasn't goofy as Can-Am stuff. Stupid Canuck design. Look at that. Just so you guys know, don't do anything the way we're doing it. So we're doing it wrong.
If you don't want to deal with this shit, buy a Polaris. No, Can-Am run good.
They run real good. Just saying that Honda over there with, 10 horsepower is never broke. Honda.
Oh, all you need. Cruise right through. Go deep snorkels.
That one's all ready to come out, right?
Yep.
Over there.
Yeah, it's just.
You gotta take out the rear swing arm bolts, right?
It's actually.
Okay, we're turning.
Did
Wrench.
you get a pair of pliers in there?
Yep, right
Yeah,
there.
probably. Okay. Keep her coming. Okay, we got it. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
We're out. But how in the... Oh, God.
The sides out.
Pop the axle out while you're at it.
Okay, that was a lot easier to do it that way.
For breeze, bro.
Dude, it
Oh.
smells like shit.
That's raunchy. Oh, shit, my face. Oh. It's out of there. Heat up the rubber a little bit. No big deal. Oh, yeah, look at... Oh. That's good. Is this thing ready to pop out? Did you already get the bolt out of the front yoke?
Yeah. Cricket, love cricket.
Oh, it's just a little slap and wiggle. How the
Slap, nipple.
Just kind of get her out of there.
Is that oil?
Sounds good.